Okay, today we're going to learn how to create customized folders in the Multimedia Resource Bank in Easiteach Next Generation. When you look for images for your lessons, you may type in keywords, look in the media bank, or use the filter by category tool. I have taken a piece of what you look at, and notice over here on the left side you see a portion of the word background, and you see all media banks as well as filter by category, which is represented by the arrow pointing to it. You can fine tune this by just choosing illustrations, interactives, and whatever. But sometimes I don't want to go through and filter through hundreds upon hundreds, even thousands of pictures, illustrations, or photos, whatever. So if I'm going to try to find something in a specific area, then this is what we're going to do. The categories are built into the software. This tutorial will show you how to better organize your imported image for quick and easy navigation. Now, first thing what you would do is you would go and you download images. Now let's be specific. Choose only images relating to one unit of study. For example, one unit may be the water cycle. So understand this. Yes, there are images built in this software, but this tutorial is speaking about finding your own images off the web and placing them somewhere. So let's say I go out and I find 10, 12, 15 images that I deem important for the water cycle. Now my example is not going to be the water cycle, but like I said, that might be an example you may use. So what I did when I created this is I put them all in one folder for quick access on the teacher shared or your My Documents or whatever. Now go look down at the bottom, select the Multimedia Resource Bank, and I show the little icon there, looks like a camera, and choose the import icon. And I've pointed a little red arrow to that. It looks like a little white folder. Now we're going to stop here and we're going to get ready to show you what we're talking about. So I've opened a folder here that I want to use, and I'm going to select this image. Now notice it gives it a title and it says imported items. Well, I'm going to change that, and I'm going to just delete the word imported items, and I'm going to put scientific method, and I'm going to just say for a keyword just scientific method, and I could use the word steps or something. Fill in what you want to down there. Notice it says use commas to separate, and I'm going to click OK, and it tells me I've imported correctly. Now let's go back, and I'm going to do another one real quick. I'm going to select this concept map. Notice now that I have scientific method as one of my folders. Click it. I'm going to do a quick keyword as scientific method, and I have done that. I'm going to pause while I finish my importing. Okay, now I'm finished. I have imported several pictures, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you. You may not be able to see this, but I am going to do a search, and I'm going to look in the category of scientific method and do a search. Now, like I said, you may not be able to see all the images here, but I'm going to show you what they are. I'm going to shoot them in here. There's one. Here's two. Now all I did was I left the search blank, and then I just chose the actual category. I know what I want as a teacher, so this is a quick and easy way to find those images. Or if you forget that, you can just type in scientific method, which I use as a keyword for all my images. So that's a quick and easy way too. And by the way, you can always edit those keywords. So that's a really good way of using the multimedia bank to your advantage.